PayPal versus Stripe versus Square. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm comparing all the payment platforms for you that you can add to your websites and where you can receive your money through your websites and for digital transactions. So I will be comparing PayPal with Stripe and Square, and we'll figure out which one is better. This is the ultimate tutorial that you guys were waiting for, and it has all the information you need to make an informed decision which one of these platforms is better for you to use. So let's jump into it. Up first, we have Stripe. So what you guys need to do is go to stripe.com and you will get to this platform right here. I have actually opened up my Stripe right here. This is the dashboard. So if you're not familiar with Stripe, Stripe is an online digital platform that allows us to receive money, and we can also connect our Stripe to our websites. For example, I have connected my Stripe to my WordPress and Wix, and I directly get money from there to my debit card, to my credit card that I have connected to Stripe. So that's how easy Stripe is to use. If we talk about the signing up process, you can sign up for free with your email address, or you can use your Google account. Once you are in Stripe right here, so this is the main dashboard. Let me quickly go through all the features so that you will have an idea that this is what you will be getting if you sign up for Stripe and if you're using Stripe. First of all, what we do is we can connect different platforms to our Stripe. So if we go to the connect section here, I will be able to connect my Shopify, my WordPress website, any kind of e-commerce platform. I can connect to my Stripe, and then payment will directly be added to my Stripe, and I can then, withdraw it to my credit card or my bank directly. So to get started, you just click on get started button here, and now you can see I can connect it to my Squarespace. I can connect it to my Shopify, any marketplace where I am doing business right now, any kind of business. If you are running an online shop, if you're running an online business, anywhere, even if you're Instagram, you can just connect it to your Stripe. So the top partners are Squarespace, WooCommerce, and Wix. So if I go to Wix right here and I open up my Wix website that I have, I will be able to connect Stripe really easily, and it's really easy to get money. Second of all, now we know that we can connect all of these different platforms. Then we have the payment option right here on Stripe. So in payment, I can go ahead and create a brand new payment right here, and I can create invoices. So if we go to invoices, that's what I also do. Like, we can create different invoices for our different clients and customers and send them directly through Stripe. We can also print our invoices. So to create an invoice, you just go to invoice and then click on create invoice. It will allow you to do so. We just select a customer. I'm going to select this customer, for instance, and then we select item. You create different items, of course, or the items that you have on your website. So you will be able to add an item here. I'm going to select this item here. Then we can select the quantity. Let's go with 3. And there you go. We have the total price for my, invoice. And this is the preview of the invoice that we can create on Stripe. After that, you just enter an email address, and I can email this invoice that I'm creating. I can invoice the PDF or payment page. For now, I'm just going to go back and not actually publish this one. It will be saved here. Similarly, we have balances, and in balances, we can check out payouts and top outs. We can check our balances in different currencies. For example, I have USD. We can add a bank account on Stripe. So to add a bank account, you go to the balances, and then in balances, we have add bank account. There you go. You can enter your information, click on add bank account, and you will be able to do so. Then we can manage our customers, products, reports, again, connect option. And then we have the subscription option here. We have taxes, so we can manage our payment right here with Stripe very easily, and it's a really good platform to use with all of these different features and tools. One of the things about Stripe is that it's really easy to sign up for, and once we connect, we can actually add more accounts to Stripe. If I have one company and I have one account, I can just create my own personal account as well, direct bank accounts as well, not just your account here. You can enter your different account numbers to your Stripe and receive your payments directly. You can receive payments to your debit card, to your credit card, to your PayPal right here to your Stripe. You just connect your platform to Stripe and then Stripe to your e-commerce, and you get money from there. The transaction rate is very low and you will be able to receive your money. So this is stripe.com. Let's move on to PayPal. So we have PayPal here. You might have heard about PayPal. It works really good. And so to create your own PayPal account, you can sign up. Click on sign up right here. And the signing up process is really easy. You can create a personal account or a business account. If you're creating a personal account, you just select next, and after that you have to select the region. Now, just one thing about PayPal is that PayPal might not be available in some of the countries right now, but it is available in most of the countries. You can check if your country is available here, and you will be able to create an account on it. If you're creating an account for United States, of course it's available. You can click on get started, and then you have to enter your mobile number. They will verify your phone number, and then after that you will be able to create your own PayPal account. With PayPal, we can do transactions within seconds, and you can send and receive money around the globe. You can actually send money to your friend in India or anywhere around the world, and you will be able to create your own business account as well. So that's really good. We can create a personal account, or we can create a business account too if you're looking to do huge transactions. Plus, we can also do the online shopping using PayPal, and we can add different budget for our Target, for our other shopping platform, and we also get different rewards on our credit cards. And there are different platforms. For example, you can see Shein is available, Nike. So we can actually get different rewards and coupons when we're using PayPal to buy. So you can shop and buy, you can send and receive money, you can manage your money, and you can of course go ahead and download the PayPal app too. So it's a really easy platform, and there's PayPal, so you can also access your PayPal anytime you like from your any of device. Moving on, we have Square. Now Square is provided by Squarespace. It's quite similar to Stripe. If we say PayPal is a little different from Square and from Stripe. Square and Stripe are to actually connect to our websites, and they help us get online transactions. And what we can do is we can actually connect our PayPal to our Square. So that's how it works. And Squarespace, the signing up process again is really easy. You can click on sign in, or you can connect to your shop. So what you need to do is you can also connect your physical shop to your Squarespace. If we talk about the different products, so we have commerce, and we can connect it to online stores. We are getting invoice option in our Squarespace as well. We're getting the invoice option in Square as well. Then we have online checkout links, virtual terminals, social media, online solutions, payment processing, browse hardware, and all commerce solution. In customers, we can do marketing, messaging, appointments. We can schedule appointments using Square. Website templates are available, and customer directory. Similarly, in banking, we have savings, checking, banking, and loans. In Insta, we have payroll services, employee benefits, and in developer, we have all of the different services. Customer service is really good, and it's really easy to use, and you can receive money really easily, the payments your customers want to do. It's also really easy for customers to use because you can customize your own website, and you can add a Square page to your Squarespace website. If you already have Squarespace, then you will not need to create an account on Square. You can just add Square directly to your Squarespace website. If you want to connect your Square to your Shopify, you can also do that. You can also connect it to your hardware shop, and then there is a Square terminal and Square register available that helps you get more efficient and helps you run a successful business online. So yeah guys, this brings us to the end of the video. I hope that I was a big help to you, and now you know the difference between PayPal, Stripe, and Square. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to the YouTube channel.